Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good. I'm just checking in on everybody at this time. I know we are going through a very difficult situation globally. It's crazy. I just wanted to take this time to tell everybody that it's important that we stay calm. It's important that we keep our mental health in check, especially at a time right now where there's a lot of fear-mongering happening, a lot of misinformation going around, and we just don't know what to believe. But one thing is for sure, we should self-educate ourselves to contain the spread of this virus. Whatever we can do will matter, whether it's social distancing, washing our hands, keeping ourselves at home and not going out unless it's necessary. These are important steps that could help contain the spread of the virus. At the same time, I think what's really important is being positive, staying calm, and having faith in God. And I'm someone right now who's keeping everybody in my prayers. I'm also extending my prayers to everybody globally, to people who are going to be facing economic hardships, people who are going to be facing a lot of stress and anxiety. It's going to be very difficult for us to get through this, but I want everyone to know and understand that we will definitely get through this together. But it's important that we maintain hope, faith, and we keep positivity going around, supporting each other. We can't do this alone, but we can do it together. But yeah, I'm keeping everybody in my prayers, and I'm definitely trying to make you guys understand the importance of having faith in God at a time like this. I know we're going to get through this, inshallah. I know we will get through this, but it's important that we stay calm and we keep our mental health in check. So my prayers go out to everybody who's self-isolating right now, who's probably away from their family at the moment because of the certain travel restrictions right now, people who do have the virus and are recovering, and for any family member that's lost anyone due to the virus. My prayers go out to everybody. I really want to stress the importance of staying calm and being positive, and just making sure we don't let anxiety, fear, and panic engulf us in such a situation. Stay safe, everybody. I love you guys. Take care.